My name is Michael Taylor, and this is my presentation on wolf reintegration in Wyoming. The purpose of this policy is to establish guidelines for management in Wyoming that will provide for a sustainable wolf population while minimizing wolf-human conflicts, avoiding previous failures that have resulted in wolf population fluctuations and cattle depredation increases within the state. The stakeholders that will be critical in the success of the policy include the Wyoming Department of Fish and Game, Wyoming Cattle Association, the Federal Fish and Wildlife Service, the U.S. Forest Service, the Bureau of Land Management, and the Wyoming Governor's Office. Our vision is to successfully reintegrate the Canadian gray wolf into Wyoming, creating a conservation plan that will provide for a sustainable wolf population while minimizing wolf-human conflicts, leading to a balanced, successful ecosystem while limiting the impact to the state's ranching population, attempting to maintain livelihoods and enhance ecosystem balance and diversity within the state. Conservation of the gray wolf population is critical to meet the Fish and Wildlife Service's guidelines to enable a sustainable wolf population by ensuring 10 breeding pairs are maintained in the Greater Yellowstone area. The objective is to maintain 15 breeding pairs in the Greater Yellowstone area to enable a sustainable gray wolf population. Wildlife monitoring is essential for keeping track of animal movement patterns, habitat utilization, population demographics, snaring and poaching incidents, and breakouts, according to the Wildlife Tracking and Monitoring in Southern Africa. There are going to be numerous actions that need to be taken to meet this objective. These actions include ensuring gray wolves maintain protected status within the National Park conservation areas, which include Yellowstone, Grand Teton National Park, and the National Elk Refuge. It would also include estimating wolf numbers and pack distribution, documenting reproduction and mortality. Ecological understanding will also stem from documenting territory boundaries, the locations of wolf den sites, and identifying key prey species and foraging areas during winter and spring seasons. The monitoring program will balance scientific precision with cost effectiveness. The use of a combination of radiotelemetry and techniques will aid in the completion of this action. Additional actions to be taken are annually limiting the number of breeding pairs within the National Park conservation area by utilizing radiotelemetry, standard tracking practices, wildlife surveyors, and VHF and satellite collars to record and track GPS locations, group composition, associations, and behaviors. Additionally, utilizing annually gathered data through the completion of formulating annual wolf management data to enable tagged hunting in the state, maintaining a minimum of 15 breeding pairs. A minimum of 15 packs is required to use more liberal management tools, including lethal methods to resolve wolf livestock, wolf-human conflicts, or concern over a localized prey population in light of the combined efforts of predatory and environmental factors, according to Montana Wolf Conservation and Management Plan document that was formalized in January of 2002. The final action that will need to be completed is relocating wolves that are required to maintain minimum breeding pairs back into protected areas. If protected status is not maintained within federal parks in the Greater Yellowstone area, the number of wolves being harvested due to unregulated hunting and poaching incidents would increase. It would make it difficult to monitor the species, ensuring they do not fall below 10 breeding pairs, lead to relisting the wolves as an endangered species. Over time, the decrease in the Canadian gray wolf population will result in the increase in elk, bison, and deer herds, as well as the number of coyotes within the conservation area, leading to similar issues experienced in the mid to late 1900s, which included a large increase in winter depredation rates within the conservation areas due to vegetation shortages. The trace of successfully reintegrating the Canadian wolf include increased livestock depredation in the area, decreased elk, deer, and bison numbers, and increased vegetation in conservation areas, leading to fewer fatalities within livestock and resource herds during the winter months. The successful reintegration of the Canadian gray wolf is critical to maintaining a balanced ecosystem in the northern Rocky Mountains. By allowing for successful reintegration policies and procedures to be adapted to limit wolf conflicts while enabling the growth of a sustainable wolf population in the region, this objective can be met. Thank you very much. Have a good day.